In this video, I'm going to talk about how to lose weight quickly with smoothies on a budget. In a moment, I'm going to share with you how one simple diet adjustment combined with these smoothies helped made my weight loss journey a lot easier. We all know that drinking enough water is important for our health, but it can be hard to stick with this habit if you're not in love with the taste of tap or bottled water. Drinking more water is good for your health, but it's tough when you don't like the taste of plain water. Smoothies are a quick and easy way to get some extra flavor without adding any sugar or calories. These 5 low-calorie smoothie recipes will help you stay on track and keep your budget intact. All these recipes use ingredients that are easy to find at most grocery stores and cost less than $5 total per serving. You'll never have an excuse again. 1. Green Goddess Smoothie. This classic Green Goddess smoothie is a delicious and refreshing way to get your greens in. This low-calorie smoothie recipe has only 100 calories per serving, so it won't break the bank while you lose weight. Combine all these ingredients together and blend until smooth. 1 avocado, 2 handfuls of spinach leaves, 4 cups baby kale, packed, 1 cup frozen pineapple or mango or banana blend, 1 cup unsweetened vanilla almond milk, 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, and ½ teaspoon cinnamon, optional. 2. Berry Banana Smoothie. This great berry banana smoothie is a perfect midday pick-me-up when you're feeling sluggish. With just 80 calories and 1 gram of sugar per serving, you can enjoy it guilt-free. Combine all these ingredients together and blend until smooth. ½ cup frozen berries, any variety will do, 1 banana, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, or another low-calorie liquid such as soy or coconut milk, 2 tablespoons ground flaxseed, 2 tablespoons chia seeds, and ½ teaspoon vanilla extract, optional. 3. Coconut Pineapple Ginger Smoothie. This delicious creamy coconut pineapple ginger smoothie is a perfect treat when you're craving something sweet. It's packed with protein and healthy fat from the almond milk and avocado to keep you full for hours. Combine all these ingredients together and blend until smooth. ½ cup frozen pineapple or mango chunks, 1 banana, 1 avocado, ripe, 1 cup unsweetened vanilla almond milk, 1 tablespoon raw ginger, can be fresh or jarred, and ½ teaspoon cinnamon. 4. Watermelon Lime Smoothie. This watermelon lime smoothie is the perfect solution for when you're craving something sweet but don't want to break the bank. It's delicious, refreshing, and only 60 calories. Combine all these ingredients together and blend until smooth. 2 cups watermelon chunks, about half of a large watermelon, 1 lime peeled, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk, 4 tablespoons stevia or honey to taste, ice if desired. 5. Chocolate Raspberry Avocado Smoothie. This rich chocolate raspberry avocado smoothie is the perfect way to enjoy chocolate in the morning. It's full of flavor and healthy fat with just 80 calories per serving. Combine all these ingredients together and blend until smooth. 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 4 pitted dates, optional, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk, 1 cup frozen raspberries, and cinnamon to taste. And now, I'm going to share with you how one simple diet adjustment combined with these smoothies helped made my weight loss journey a lot easier. Have you heard of intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern where you cycle between periods of fasting and eating. One of the most popular protocol is time-restricted feeding, that is limiting the window of time during which you eat to a few hours each day. For example, only eating between 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. each day. Intermittent fasting allows me to prepare smoothies only once or twice max in a day, so I don't have to worry about it all the time. It saves me time and makes my life a lot easier. So, what do you think of these recipes? Have you heard any of them? Try one or all of them and let us know in the comments section if they are budget friendly. In the next video, I'm going to talk about top 10 easiest ways to lose weight even if you've tried everything. Please subscribe. See you in the next one.